Let's start understanding state mission and states and ASL. ASL. What are states? What are state missions and ASL? So first point, ASL. ASL. A stands for Amazon. A stands for Amazon and S stands for states and L stands for language. Amazon states language. Amazon states language. It is similar to JSON. It is similar to JSON. Next one. In this ASL, we have concept called state missions. States. First, state mission thing. State mission. What is state mission? So you are going to write job 1 definition, job 2 definition, job 3 definition, job 4 definition, and you are going to define multiple jobs definition, multiple jobs definition using ASL language. Using ASL language. You are going to provide definition for multiple jobs. Job 1 is a glue job and xyz.py. Job 2 is a glue job, abc.py. Job 3, Athena query, x.sql query. And job 3, Redshift SQL query. Like that, we can define each job definition. This entire definition. See, the overall workflow definition. This entire definition is called state mission. A JSON file describing how one state leads to another state. Here, state is a job. Job definition. We can write multiple states. To write different states in a state mission, we have different types of state task. It may be a lambda job, it may be a glue job, it may be Athena job, it may be Redshift job. Any job, we call it as task. This job is a task. This job, we call it as a task. Next one, pass. So this job, X job is presented here. X job, let's say X job. We want to forward or modify input. Forward or modify input of this job. Next one, wait state. Let's say you want to pass this state sometime. Then you can use wait and assertive and choice. Let's say there is a job. If this job is true, then call this job. If this job is failed, call this job. Kind of choices you can define. If else branching. Let's say there are two jobs. I want to execute these two jobs parallelly. You can define another state type is parallel. Let's say map. So we have multiple tasks, and each uh, you can define multiple jobs in a map. Then you can execute one item from map, like like map and key value value key value. So job one, job name, job two, job name. Like that, you can define multiple jobs. Then you can call jobs one by one. So if you want to define multiple jobs, you can use a map. Next one, if job file, what is the message you want to send? If job success, what is the message you want to send? Use success and failure states. Success, failure, state. State means definition of a job, and if job success we want to do, if job fail, what we want to do. If you want to make job wait, if you want to run multiple jobs parallelly, we have a different states. We have a different states. Clear, right?